everyone, my name is Desola. I'm a fashion designer and you are? Welcome to my channel! Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Daisy's Wardrobe. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're an existing subscriber, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. And if you've seen my videos before and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And put on the notification bell so that you know when I put up a new video. I'm an African-inspired ready-to-wear fashion designer based here in Lagos, Nigeria, and I've been in business for over 10 years. So here on my channel, I talk about being a fashion designer, running a business, running a ready-to-wear fashion business, all things business, all things fashion, and once in a while I talk about my life. So here in today's video, I'll be talking about how to make money as an independent fashion designer. So who is an independent fashion designer? An independent fashion designer is a fashion designer that works solely for themselves. They finance their fashion design business or their fashion design endeavors by themselves. They do not work for any fashion house. They do not create designs for other fashion designers, but they create designs solely for themselves. And if there's any production involved in making their designs, they fund it solely by themselves, not by any other fashion house or any other person. So fashion designers that eventually start businesses and fund the business by themselves are usually called independent fashion designers. And I consider myself to be one as well, because I make and I sell ready-to-wear African-inspired clothing for women, and I sell my pieces right here in my store, and I have done this for over 10 years as well. So because of that, I consider myself to be an independent fashion designer. So back to how to make money as an independent fashion designer. You don't want to be a fashion designer that has gone through the process of learning how to become a fashion designer, and you can't monetize this skill or this knowledge or talent that you have without knowing how to make money. So today I'll be discussing with you 3 ways you can make money as a fashion designer. The first one is teaching people how to sew. So teaching people how to sew is really big nowadays. A lot of people want to learn how to sew, and some people have the money to go to fashion school and learn how to sew, while some people don't really have the funds to go to fashion school to learn how to sew. And some people who don't even have the funds to go to fashion school also may not have the funds to also go somewhere and be an apprentice to learn how to sew. So that is where you come in. So you teach people how to sew clothing, different types of clothing, and you can do it physically or online. So the people who sell courses online that other people who are looking to learn how to sew can buy online and watch and learn and practice how to sew. And in return, you get paid for offering your courses for sale. Another online way to make money as a fashion designer is through YouTube. There are a lot of people on YouTube who teach people how to sew. So you can watch these videos and learn how to sew. Another way of making money as an independent fashion designer is selling ready-to-wear clothing. So it could be for men or women or children, whatever it is, making readily available clothes for people in standard sizes for them to buy. So that is what I do, and I have a store where I sell these clothes. Some people don't have stores. Some people actually sell online and they are doing very well. So you may also consider that and think of it as one of the ways that you can make some money as a fashion designer. But remember, when trying to successfully start selling ready-to-wear pieces, there are things that you have to know when it comes to making these pieces, and you have to follow these things and have these things in mind when making these pieces so that you can sell your pieces successfully to your customers, and also have them refer you to other people, and in return come back to you and purchase more pieces from you. That is what you want. Another way of making money as an independent fashion designer is selling fabric. Here in Nigeria, I find that a lot of people wear African prints. So sometimes as a fashion designer, you make clothes for people. Sometimes customers come with their fabric and you make clothes for them. Another way of making extra income from these customers is having fabric on display for them to choose from, and in return they give you this fabric to make for them, or they buy this fabric and take it away and go and make it somewhere else, which is not what we really want. You want them to make it with you, or they buy it and give it out to other people as gifts, because here in Nigeria people give people fabric as gifts, especially African print fabric. So as a fashion designer, you make clothes for them and make extra money from your customers by selling them fabric. Another way you can make money as an independent fashion designer is making and selling little pieces like accessories and just little creative things. If you're a very creative fashion designer, I'm sure you understand what I'm trying to say. So it could be accessories, it could be anything, just little nice things that you can sell. So you can sell them online. There are different platforms where you can sell all these little cute little pieces online, and you make money from them. So with this can be a means of having an extra income as an independent fashion designer, or it can be your main stream of income as an independent fashion designer. So my video is done. My video today was very short. If you enjoyed watching my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you know when I put up a new video. And so I will see you soon. Bye.